Today is April 1st, 2015, all day long. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and I will be giving you some sobering information here. I've been doing these videos for a long time, and when I say a long time, since 2004. So I've been doing daily videos for almost a decade. Got very popular at Trade to Win there in the UK, brought them to the US, and went #1 on Google for trading videos. And as a lot of you know, I also had picked up the passion, if you will, of mixed martial arts, and now part owner of a couple companies that has to do with amateur MMA or mixed martial arts. And so this will be my last video. It's sad to say, it's hard to roll off the tongue, but this is the last video you guys will get from me. However, we do have Mark, and we do have others that will be bringing in to do these daily videos, and I feel like that you guys are part family. And yeah, it's a sad time. You know, there's many times I'll have a chance to meet users and meet my fans, if you will, or people that listen to me. And a lot of times they'll be with their spouses, and they'll say, "Yeah, I hear your voice every morning with my husband listening to your videos," or vice versa. And it's different here. So that's me working on my thespian skills, and being April 1st, thought I would throw a April Fool's joke at you. No way in the world I would give this up. Love doing technical analysis, so let's get after it. Hey, markets overall bearish territory. However, I want to throw a few things at you. Small caps actually ended up in bullish territory. We saw that yesterday, that we saw some strength there, and also banks, but the banks showing some weakness here, down 0.5%. Dow down 0.5%, spiders down. So weak overall. Precious metals up nicely. And taking a look here at the S&P daily chart. Here's the problem, gang. Do not let this be lost with you. What I'm getting ready to share with you is hugely important. We have a trend line. Let me validate this trend line with you. It goes back here, and again, this is October 2014. So go to the highest close, come across and go to the highest close right here at this is March 2015. This is this month, and draw that trend line. By doing that, that gives us a pretty good trend line coming across. Now blowing this back up so we can really see this. You can always go to full screen down here in the bottom right hand corner. Down here, go to full screen. But we dropped, big sell off today. Boom, 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 boom. We touched this line. We had this line for a while. This is this swing low. We come across, did a touch and go, boom, back higher, higher, higher. We did get above this trend line right here. This trend line, this red one, this swing to this swing, and I need to tighten that up just ever so slightly here, just because I like them to be perfect, right? So when we rallied back higher, we did get above that. The problem is we did not get above the blue line, this big blue trend line. Gang, we have now broken the ice of that trend line. Even though I have this one coming across, this is a huge red flag to me, and it does not surprise me that the banks are showing this weakness. I think that we have a decent chance of the market sliding down and really starting to cause some havoc here on the markets. And you're hearing it here. So important. I'm telling you this, if we go below this 204 mark on the spiders, woe to the markets, especially if we close lower than that. You'll see a spike in volume. You'll see a lot of sell-off take place. The only thing that will heal this market right now is a big, substantial bullish candlestick, and we need that right now. If so, this would be considered a jab. If we don't get that, we are going to bleed out here for a little while. I think the markets are on very, very dangerous ground at this moment, and very few people see it happening. And I'm telling you right now, we are teetering on market damage. So this is something to be paying particular attention to. And make sure, if you do go to tradingview.com, you can find me and search for me and follow me. And I see I have more followers coming in. Private message here I need to read. And but anyway, if I click on this little light, you'll see these pops. So when you go to the spiders, look for this one, and you'll see Des. Just go to mine, and then you can follow me. That's how you do it. Go and find me. You won't see a triangle. You'll see a circle. So you need to go to the date that you'll go to is March 11th, 2015, March 11th. Find me saying bullish. We did go bullish. Find that and follow me. Feel free to do so, and you'll be alerted to the different calls that I make, such as, let's go over here to tech stocks. Big movers. My GoPro, I was holding some GoPro, and I had to unload more of it. GoPro dropped 6%, just a huge drop, and tick higher on volume. I said we're waiting for that pullback. I didn't think it'd be a 6% drop right out of the gates, but sure enough, that's what we have, and we're finding support at 20-day moving average. And if I hit the little sign here, you'll see that I called it a buy right there, and that is March 12th. March 12th, you can find me. And so I'm waiting for a little bit of a pullback here and be looking to add more long positions if it sets up nicely. And anything else here to speak of? I don't know if you can hear that. I have a dog outside barking, going crazy. And Twitter, I mean, that was up 0.8%, but you know, it's Twitter is just Twitter. It's just kind of chopping around here, going sideways. So there you have it. We'll catch up with you guys later. Sorry about the April Fool's joke right out of the gate. We'll hit you up tomorrow.